Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be jailbreaking the second generation iPad Pro using Palera1n. Palera1n is a semi-tethered jailbreak, meaning that when your battery runs out or you're shut down, you will reboot back into a non-jailbroken state, and you'll need to use a computer to re-jailbreak it. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your terminal emulator of choice. Let's make it big there. And now, to install Palera1n, there's a command that you gotta paste in. I've already got it in my clipboard. I'll put it in the video description as well. So, just paste it in like that, press return, and you'll have to enter your password, so just enter that real quick. And it's just gonna run the Palera1n install script. So now, we can type Palera1n, sorry for bumping the camera there, -L. Now, this is the command that will actually start jailbreaking the device. So, you don't need to run this command as root for some reason. So yeah, just press return, and it will start placing the device in recovery mode. Oh yeah, also, please ignore the presence of package managers on my home screen. For some reason, when I removed the jailbreak, they just wouldn't go away. So, you just want to press return here, and it should start putting the device in recovery mode. And there we are. Get out of it. Find her. No. So now we have to put the device in DFU mode, as it says. Press enter when ready for DFU mode. What you got to do is you have to press and hold power and home, like that. Man, this thing's huge and hard to get in frame, for about 10 seconds, and then release power and continue holding home for another few seconds. The Palera1n does have a helpful timer that you can use, so let's just press enter and we can start using that. Enter and then power and home. And then release power and keep holding home. And so once it's detected a device in DFU mode, Palera1n should automatically continue the process, and then it's just going to continue booting. Please ignore that horrendous noise in the background. My mom's grinding coffee. Nothing's exploding, don't worry. So it should just boot, and, we should be in a jailbroken state. So pretty soon here, the Palera1n loader app should show up. Here it is. It might take a little bit, depending on. And so now, you are presented with a choice between two package managers. I recommend this first one, however you pronounce it. So you just want to tap on install it. Yes, do. And now you'll have to set a root password. So this can be whatever you want, but, just make sure you remember it, because if you forget it, you won't be able to recover it without doing a full restore of your device, which will erase all your data. So once you've set a password, you want to click set password, and it's going to do some stuff. There we go. So now, one of the icons, because I had both package managers installed, is now restored to its former brilliance. So now we can open it up, and we are fully jailbroken, as you can see. Here we are. But yeah, I say that's about a pretty good stopping point for today's video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. And so I have an account on the Internet Archive where I upload stupid stuff like pre-installed virtual machine hard drive images if you're weird like me and you just like installing virtual machines for unknown reasons. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.